in and headed out to a customer site on March 26, 2014. This client, we're installing 2 new servers, additional servers into their environment that is a mess. And today's message is not to build complexity into your network to where your internal IT guys can't even figure out, where you need to hire a company like Trinity to come and figure it out. What they have is non-Microsoft standard best practices configuration, from dual redundancy clustered servers in a virtual environment, in a highly available environment as well, causing for disruption, downtime, as well as the unknowns can happen with which server is up, where is the data going, and so forth. Virtual machines and virtual servers work in a highly available environment, great. However, they pick and choose which server is actually going to be running based on its quickness to boot. So in this environment, it's very large, very dispersed in this building. However, multiple switches doing the same thing, piggybacked by network cables instead of fiber. And what we're going to do today is consult on how we can streamline that network after we put these 2 Active Directory servers in place. We're placing 2 virtual servers. And one other cardinal rule is never to have an Exchange server or never to have a Active Directory server, but especially when they're combined in a virtual environment. And that's what we're removing today. We've already done a migration from their internal Exchange to Office 365 in the early part of this year. So at this time, we're going to implement these servers, get them built into the system, and let them set, and we'll configure them to the domain, configure them as Active Directory controllers today, and then just let everything propagate, and then eventually we'll push all the roles, all the FSMA roles over to one of the new servers and disperse them. We're going to distribute the DHCP servers, or the address distribution, as well as building a action items plan of how Trinity Networks can go in and build a much better, much streamlined, as well as more recoverable in a disaster. At this time, they don't have any disaster recovery, they don't have any backups, and that's the way they've been running this large advertising agency for years. So we're headed in there now, and I'm glad we have the opportunity to do this. Follow us along on these vlogs and to learn these